Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll be explaining about if function. It is a function which either gives a value as true or false depending upon the statement, depending upon the condition. If the condition 1 is satisfied, then it gives the result as true, else it gives as false. To explain this, we have two data of two candidates, Ram and Shyam, and the data for which upon which I'll be using if are salary, age, their percentage of marks in 10th, 12th, BTech, MBA, work experience, and we'll check whether the candidate 1 or candidate 2, Ram or Shyam, can appear for IIT, can he appear for UPSC, whether he is having high income, who is having more age, and who can be promoted to manager. Let's see. So I am just generating this random data using rand between function. I have generated these data using rand between function, but this function keeps on changing as a click of mouse. So I'm manually putting the data, the percentage, age, so that the function doesn't change while I'm using if function. So percentage of Ram and Shyam are done, work experience have been put on. Now check. So to get promotion to manager level, the work experience should be greater than 8 years. It should be more than 8 years of work experience. To get qualified to appear for an entrance in IIT, one should have percentage more than 60%. So to check whether the person is eligible to appear for an IIT, we use if equal to if percentage in 10th of Ram is greater than 60, then in double quotes, yes he can appear for an IIT exam, else no. Yes, as Ram's percentage is 78, which is obviously greater than 60, and Shyam's percentage is 37, so he cannot appear for IIT. Appearing for UPSC, let's see whether Ram and Shyam's percentage in BTech is greater than 70 or not. Equal to if percentage in BTech is greater than 70, yes, Ram's percentage is greater than 70 as he got 78%. Let's see whether Shyam has got more than, whether Shyam can appear for UPSC or not. Yes, he can appear for UPSC because he is having 85% in BTech. You just copy the formula. Whose income is higher, Ram's or Shyam's? Equal to if Ram's salary is great, if it is condition greater than Shyam's salary, then put high income, else put low income. Let's see what we get as output. High income. Yeah, clearly Ram's salary is 33,905 and Shyam's salary is 12,643. No, I have put something, I have put a formula which is mistake. If condition check, Shyam's salary is greater than Ram's, yes, comma, high income, else in double quotes low income. Let's see what we get. It is low income. Clearly 12,000 is obviously lesser than 33,000. Who's having more age? Equal to if Ram says 20 is greater than Shyam. Then select more age, give more age, else give younger in double quotes, as we are putting text here. Now check whether Shyam is having more age or younger. He is younger. Equal to Shyam's age 43 is greater than Ram's age, comma, more age or he is younger. He is having more age than Ram's. Now see who can be promoted to manager. The one who has having experience more than 8 years, equal to work experience of Ram, comma, is greater than 8. He can be promoted to manager if the condition is true, else he will remain as executive. I'll put this string in double quotes as we are using strings. So what we got? We got promoted to manager because Ram's work experience is 10 years. Now check whether Shyam can be promoted to manager or not. If equal to if Shyam work experience greater than 8, then he will be promoted to, equal to if Shyam's work experience is greater than Ram's, is greater than 8, promoted to manager, else will remain executive. Now see what we get. So we got that Shyam's work experience is not more than 8 years, so he will remain executive. I'll highlight those output which we have got through if formula in yellow, so that one can see, one can understand. The formula for if function is given by equal to if bracket starts condition 1 logical operator, whether it is equal to, greater than, less than, with respect to condition 2. If first condition remains true, then it will give us true, else it will give us false. That's it from our if function. So guys, how was the video? I know this video wasn't really up to the mark. I'll try and make next video up to the level expectations. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.